Hi, I'm Delroy with AutoZone. Whenever you buy a new battery, pay attention to the warranty. Automotive battery warranties provide protection in the case of an early failure. At AutoZone, Duralast batteries carry either a 2-year or 3-year full replacement warranty. That means if the battery fails within that window, AutoZone will replace your battery for free. If you've purchased an automotive battery from AutoZone, you can find your battery's warranty online through your AutoZone Rewards account. On average, car batteries last about 3 to 4 years. If your battery fails before that, check your warranty to see if you're eligible for a free replacement. If you're having any battery issue, AutoZone can help check your battery and your starting and charging system with free battery testing and charging. And if you do need a replacement, they have the right Duralast battery for your vehicle to get you back on the road. Check out more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.